Greetings, friends. My name is Thomas Underhill. Between 1641 and 1659, during the 17th century, I occupied a pivotal position as a religious printer and publisher. My specialization was in the Reformed and Puritan traditions, particularly publishing the enlightening works of renowned preachers and Puritans. I had the unique honor of working closely with many of the divines who were part of the Westminster Assembly. Today, I'm privileged to present to you a combined volume that bridges time, contributions from Westminster divine Anthony Burgess and a modern-day minister and theologian, Dr. McMahon. Together, they've crafted a significant piece on the pivotal theme of the Church's walk in godliness and holiness. The work is titled The Difficulties of and the Encouragements to a Reformation. From my first-hand experiences during my era, spearheading reform within the Church is an arduous task. It's not just about resources or intent. It necessitates Christ's support. Achieving genuine Christian church reform is daunting. True, the hand of God's Spirit is evident in this endeavor, but considering the fall of mankind, guiding God's fallen people towards authentic biblical reformation remains a challenge. Often people don't like to change, even for Jesus. However, it's heartening to note that in the face of these challenges, there are also uplifting moments and inspirations that can be drawn upon for the exaltation of Jesus Christ in a godly walk of holiness. This balance of challenge and encouragement forms the essence of this pivotal work. Dr. McMahon initiates the discussion with concepts like theological traditionalism, subscriptionism, confessionalism, reformation, and critiques the prevalent me and my Bible mindset of your era. He further clarifies how the Spirit's illumination functions, referencing a misunderstood ideology surrounding 1 John chapter 2 verses 26 and 27. Some people think they do not need anyone to teach them anything because they have the Spirit. This is in error. The discussion then culminates in emphasizing the importance of a well-grounded theological traditionalism. Subsequently, he interweaves these concepts to lay a foundation for godly reformation and holiness, setting the stage for Burgess's insights. I can tell you firsthand Anthony Burgess in his wisdom was an exceptional exegete. Drawing from Mark chapter 1 verses 2 to 3, he sheds light on pivotal questions. Are we sufficiently reformed? Does God desire just a minimal sanctification from us? How can church members and pastors champion genuine biblical reforms in their congregations? What are the likely challenges, and where can we find solace and encouragement if we remain anchored in the truth? These are not all easy to answer. I'm thrilled to inform you that Puritan Publications has adapted and republished this treasure in a format suited to contemporary readers. Both ebook and printed editions are available for your perusal. I urge you to obtain a copy from their website and deeply engage with this enriching discourse on godly reform. For your era, this work is of paramount importance. Many are enamored with the notion of reformation, but shy away from the genuine commitment it entails. Isn't it a reflection of many churches today who wear the badge of reformation but lack its substance? They will gladly be enthralled with a movie about Martin Luther and Reformation, but will they walk in holiness themselves? Let's ardently pray that King Jesus, through his Spirit, ushers in a true revival, facilitating genuine reformation in your contemporary time. I wish for you a sincere and enriched biblical understanding, and may your endeavors towards true godly reform receive divine blessings. Amen.